don't like other people's ideas, which is the fact. Correct? Other people's ideas. Okay, so if you've thought of something I don't like, if it's my idea, I love it. I'll follow it through the end and fight for it because it's my idea. So you want to get people to always in sales. That's why you want them to buy when it's their idea. If it's their idea, they're going to buy your product. And that's how you need to nudge them. So always in sales, first you want to sell the category. If you want to sell wellness first. You want to sell advantage of turmeric. You want to sell how turmeric fights cancer, how this thing. And then there's this product which is mine. Because you don't want to be the salesman. You want to be the expert who spent his 30 years researching turmeric and suddenly came to the holy grail of turmeric and then made a lozenge out of it. So if you are in philanthropy and CSR, you want to sell the benefits of how good you feel, and that's one of the other fundamental. People don't buy rationality. People buy emotion. So you want to sell how the benefits of how good you feel, how good the kids look once they're better taken care of, whatever. You're selling all that and then you are selling yourself. So you need to sell the category first, always. It's a step. It's a step-by-step process. Nobody decides to buy a BMW. Never. They decide they need a new car. It should fit my image. And then we shortlist, is it going to be a Merc, is it going to be a BMW, is it going to be a Audi? Okay, so some people go through the steps faster. Some people go through it unconsciously. But the steps are the same. That's why I think people buy with a particular system. Always. Yeah, look. Okay, a lot of us don't look. If a doctor comes to you without the white coat, are you going to perceive him as an authority? If a policeman doesn't come to you in the uniform, are you going to perceive him as an authority? So, you must look like a man in an authoritative position. And a lot of us make this mistake. You could just sell 10, 15, 20% more just by looking the part. If your universe is not big enough, then you get into these problems. Second is emotion. Okay, most people think that people buy by virtue of rational. My product is better. My product is this thing. No, people are buying through emotion. Number one emotion that people buy, so there are negative emotions and there are positive emotions. And whether we like it or not, the negative emotions always rule over the positive emotions. Would I rather just keep my boss happy and let my life be comfortable, or do I want to show what benefit I've done for the company? Which is a better emotion in both companies you see? No, these are all version 1 and I'm identifying them because remember when you go back to your team and tell them, oh, I ये सब सीख के आए, this is what we need to do. Sir, वो सब हमारे इसमें नहीं होता है. That's what I got, and that's why I'm making you identify, because it should be as clear as day to your slowly. This guy's इसका दिमाग बंद है.
Thought process.
It's
a thought process.
How do I change this thought process? Because that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just changing your thought process because the reality is all there. Whether we like it or not, this is how the market is working. It's like gravity. If you don't believe in gravity, it doesn't mean it ceases to exist. It's still going to hold you down to the ground. It's like electricity. If you learn the laws of electricity, you won't get shocked, and we can charge our mobile phone, we can have a microwave work, we can have a fridge work, once we understand how it works and accept. The booker, what we call, or the admin guy, the purchase guy, just has to say, sir, वो hotel बहुत दूर है sir. So last time हम लोग उधर रुके थे तो उधर बहुत problem होता. One RFP which we had filled out, the guy even said, sir, उधर एक बार आग हुआ था, which whatever, he just has to destroy your whole case. So there was a fire there once, sir. It doesn't fit our life and safety norms. Which MNC now is going to put up people in a hotel where the guy said it doesn't fit in the life and sir, आप करता है तो आप VP purchase हो, आप करते हो तो ठीक है सर, लेकिन मैंने तो बता दिया. Now which VP purchase who's come from Delhi and doesn't know anything about Bombay is going to say okay, go ahead. This is how they are playing on the emotion. That guy can't take a risk. कल कुछ हो गया तो